I'm here showing you monster. Monster. And it's blue monster, not the original green monster. Blue monster is good, but also green monster, but I have blue monster. I know a lot of you are going to be like, monsters are bad for you, but the only time it's bad for you is when you have over 3. You can have 2, but you can't have 3, otherwise it's bad for you. And it's Tut-Tut. I love Tut-Tut. You can die of a heart attack if you have over 3. So don't have over 3, or you will die. Very drastic. I know. There's a cat with me too. I want monster now, but you can't have monster. This is my monster. See, this is my friend's monster. Hers is green, and mine is blue. Green is the best! That's because it's the original. It is the best, though. Oh, and by the way, I'm not my friend's house, because you can tell that these aren't my walls. They're my friend's walls. My walls are plain. They're not blue. I wish they were blue. That'd be awesome. Or if they were bright green. If they were bright green, that'd be amazing. Or purple. Very bright neon purple. That'd be awesome. So I want to ask you, what is your favorite kind of monster? And if you could make your walls any color, what would they be? Okay, so that's all for today.